So firstly, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Then we'll splatter 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. After that, we'll add peas. In goes half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri Degi Mirch. Also we'll add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Here goes half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder or the jeera powder. And then we have added half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Now we need to roast all the spices with these. Along with it, we'll add boiled and chopped potatoes. This is the masala which we are preparing. So combine everything well and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame until the potatoes become meshy. I have used 5 to 6 boiled potatoes here. One can even mash the potatoes like this. Also in goes half a teaspoon of coriander powder or the dhania powder. To make this mixture more masaledar, I am adding amchur powder or the dry mango powder, and there goes half a cup of fresh coriander. You can even add green chilies if you want. However, I am making this for my kids, so I am not adding green chilies here. Just combine everything well and we'll cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. So friends, our masala is ready. We'll allow it to cool down completely. Next, we need to prepare slurry. For this, I'll take 1 tablespoonful of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Into this, we'll add chili flakes, half a teaspoon of salt. Now we'll gradually add water and we'll prepare a thin slurry. So friends, here is our slurry ready. We'll keep it aside. Now friends, we have kept all our things ready. We have brown bread slices, the masala, slurry and water. Let's prepare bread tikki. For this, we'll dip a bread slice in water. We'll squeeze out excess water from bread. We'll take the masala which we have prepared. Add the masala in the center, and just like we prepare bread rolls, we need to prepare this roll. Just press it like this to prepare ball so that the stuffing is completely enclosed. So roll it like this. Neaten out the edges and gently flatten it up to give the shape of a tikki. So friends, I have prepared all my bread aloo tikki. Now we'll keep it in refrigerator at least for 10 minutes before shallow frying. So friends, it's been 10 minutes and now it's time to shallow fry our bread aloo tikki. So for shallow frying, I've already kept oil for heating. Now what we'll do is, next we'll take this one bread tikki. So this is our slurry ready. We'll dip this bread tikki in the slurry and we'll coat it nicely. And after coating, we'll dip it in oil. Ensure to keep the flame on medium side. Similarly, we'll place the other tikki. First, we'll coat it completely with the slurry and then we'll shallow fry it. Friends, I will sprinkle little sesame seeds on the top just to make our bread aloo tikki more attractive. We'll press it gently. Once the tikkis are cooked from one side, then we'll flip it over. So be very careful while flipping it. You can already see that the tikkis have come out so crispy, so crunchy. This is a perfect evening snack, especially during chilly winter evenings when you want to have something hot along with chai. So friends, let's check it out if tikkis are done from both the sides. I want my tikkis to become more crispy, so I will continue to shallow fry it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Just look at this one. Wow, these tikkis are so tempting. Friends, our tikkis are done. So let's carefully remove it from the pan, and I have kept it on a kitchen towel. Wow, just look at these. So friends, our hot crispy bread tikkis are ready to serve. These are so delicious. These bread tikki goes perfect with a hot cup of tea. So friends, just look at this. To begin with, we'll take sliced onions. These are 3 large onions. Into this, I am adding half a cup of chopped spinach, 1 cup of chopped coriander, 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Here goes half a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoonful of chopped coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt as per taste. Now we need to combine everything together. Now into this mixture we'll add half a cup of rice flour or chawal ka atta, but you need to ensure that do not add rice flour in one go. Just add it in batches and continue to mix it. If you'll add rice flour in one go, then there are chances that lumps will form in this mixture. So in order to avoid that, add flour in batches. Now we need to prepare a dough. For this, we'll add little water and we'll combine everything together. So friends, the dough is ready. Now we need to prepare small cutlets using this mixture. So we'll take a small portion of it, we'll roll it out like this. And then we'll flatten it up. Although I am making a tikki shaped cutlet, you can prepare any cutlets, any shape of your choice. We have prepared one cutlet. Similarly, we will prepare all other cutlets. Our cutlets are ready. Now you have an option of deep frying these cutlets or shallow frying it. But today I am preparing these cutlets in a healthy way. We will be baking these cutlets in my air fryer. So before that, we will coat all the cutlets with little oil. This will give a nice sheen, color and make our cutlets more crispy. That's about it. Now we'll place all these cutlets in my preheated air fryer. Now we'll be air frying our cutlets at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until these are crispy. In between, we'll flip over the cutlets once and then we'll grease the other side as well. Friends, you can see how crispy these are. So friends, our very crispy, very yummy onion pakoras are ready to serve. We have not deep fried these pakoras. These are made in air fryer, so very healthy to consume. And whenever you want to try out some different snack, then you can definitely prepare this one. So friends, do try out this recipe. Let me know how does it turn out for you.